How we doing, folks? James Farr here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely stunning BMW 4 Series 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. This is the 2015 model. Comes in a carbon black metallic finish. It has the BMW LED lighting up front, the blacked out BMW kidney grille with the massive M Sport front bumper. Around to the side you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres and the M Sport badging. The rear tinted privacy glass with the Gran Coupe badging. Come around to the back, you have the BMW M Sport badging. This car is also fitted with an automatic trunk and rear parking and front sensors. Let's take a look at the interior. Now that we're inside, you can see the multifunctional M Sport paddle shift steering wheel. This car is also fitted with a Sports Plus Comfort and an Eco Pro mode, alongside the 360-degree parking sensors, the BMW iDrive system, the automatic transmission, the interior is an ivory white leather, Dakota leather with a dark oak wood trim finish. This car is also fitted with an upgraded sound system. Now that's just some of the features on board this 2015 BMW 4 Series 420D Gran Coupe M Sports. If you have any questions or if you want to take this stunning car for a test drive, please feel free to drop into us at BMW Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.